A very warm welcome to all the viewers who are watching this video, and welcome to the world of mathematics with me, that is Shweta Gautam. Students, today we are going to start Unit 11 from Maths Magic of Class 2, and the lesson name is Lines and Lines. So, as it indicates from the name of the lesson, that we are going to study about different types of lines in this lesson. And different types of lines, it means that we are going to explore as many lines as our mental level allows us to study in class 2. So, here we go. Types of lines. See, I told you that we are going to study different types of lines. That's why the chapter name is Lines and Lines. Okay, so let's see the next slide. First type of line. The name of the first type of line is standing line. See, a line is standing in front of you. As you stand, when a teacher enters your classroom, you welcome your teacher by standing. Okay, by standing, you welcome your teacher. You stand straight, and similarly, this line is also standing straight. So, these types of lines are called standing lines. And standing line is a easy name for you as you are little children of class 2. So to memorize, for memorizing it easily, we have given the name standing line. But the original name, the real name in mathematic language is vertical line. Okay, so you have to remember both the names. That standing line means vertical line and vertical line means standing lines. Okay, I hope you get it. Now see the example. See, these are looking like a dumbbell. Dumbbell are the things which the people who goes to gym for workout uses to make their body. They lift that dumbbells in their hand. So these dumbbells are in standing position. See, these dumbbells are in standing position. In the first two pictures, the green portion is upward and the red portion is downward. And in the next two pictures, red portion is upward and the green portion is downward. Whether you put the lower portion upside down or the upside portion lower down, both the positions are in standing position. Okay, so this is an example of standing lines, and you can also give many examples of standing lines from your daily life in the comment section below. Okay, now let's move ahead. Now, second type of line, it's a sleeping line. Now see, a line is a sleeping. When you fall asleep, when you feel sleepy, you lie down on the bed. You lie down on the bed, no? And you lie down straight. So this line is also lying down straight in a sleeping position. That's why we have given its name sleeping line. For easy memorization by you, because you are little children, but the original name in mathematical language of this line is horizontal line. Okay, the previous line was standing line and its original name is vertical line, and it is sleeping line and its original name is horizontal line. Okay, now let's see an example of it. See the example. They are the similar dumbbells, but in the previous pictures they were standing, and now in these pictures they are sleeping. Okay, it's like they are sleeping. So they are in horizontal positions, so they are an example of sleeping lines. I hope you all get it. Let's move ahead. Third type of line is called slanting line, and we have not given any name to it. It's a slanting line, and you have to memorize it like this only. Slanting line, and you can see that it is a little we can say that it is a little tirchi. Okay, as when we write A, when you write capital A, then you have to make two slanting lines and then you be able to write A. Let us go to the next slide, then you will be able to clear what a slanting line means. See the example. There are so many zigzags, right? When you make a scenery, you make mountains, right? So these mountains are also an example of slanting lines. Okay, slanting lines are also straight lines, but they are not standing lines, they are not sleeping lines, but they are in between of standing and sleeping. Okay, so these are slanting lines. I hope you all get it. I have given you the example of the alphabet A, and I can also give you an example of alphabet V. Okay, and you can see in this picture WWW like this now. You can see WWW are formed from these zigzag lines. So these are the example of slanting lines. Now let's see the next slide. Now another type of line is curved line. Okay, and curved line, and its another name is wavy line. Wavy means which have waves. Waves, what are waves? Waves are found in ocean and seas. When if any time you have gone to beaches where if you have gone to Mumbai or Goa or Chennai, there is sea, and if you have gone to beach, you have seen waves coming out to touch your feet. Okay, so these waves does not come straight, these waves come in a flowy way because water comes in a flowy way. Similarly, we have given the curved line another name, wavy line, because these lines are all not straight, not standing, not sleeping, not slanting, but they are in a curved way. You can see there are many wavy lines. They can be like any in any direction. They can be in S position, they can be in C position, they can be in B position. Okay, and many of you must have curly hair. Many of you are having curly hair. So curly hair are an example of curved line, wavy line. And many of you like Maggi noodles a lot. I know that that's not good for health, but I'm giving you an example of Maggi noodles. Noodles are also an example of curved line. Let's see the another slide for example. See, these are so many examples. Curvy lines or curved lines have so many curves. You can see. And see, under in the last line, with the help of curves, it is written nice curves. Okay, with the help of curved line or the wavy line, it is written NICE, nice, CURVES, curves, nice curves. So all this is written with, all this is written with wavy lines, not with the standing line, not with the sleeping line, and not with the slanting line. So these are curvy lines or curved lines or wavy lines. Okay, let's move to the another slide. See, it is the summary of the lesson. Summary of the lesson, it means that in lines and lines, what we have understood mainly 4 types of lines. Number 1, standing lines. See, a girl is standing, okay, and the line is also standing, and the another name for standing line is vertical line. Now come to the next line. It is a sleeping line. A boy is sleeping on the bed, and the line is also sleeping. And the another name for sleeping line is horizontal line, right? Come to the next line. It is a slanting line. See, a girl is enjoying the slide. You have slide in your schools on which you use a stair which is fixed to the slide. You ride up to the stair and then you come down by sliding on that slide. So slide is a very good example of slanting line. Okay. Now last one is curved line. A boy is trying to pick up something by bending. Okay. By bending, he is trying to pick up something, and this is called curved. It means that this boy is not sitting, this boy is not standing, and neither sleeping, but his position is in bending position, and this is called curved lines. Okay. So I hope you all have got my point. You all have cleared in your mind that what are the basic facts in the lesson number 11 of Maths Magic of class 2 lines and lines, is that we have to understand mainly four types of lines: standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, and curved line. Okay. So, if you have any queries, then you can ask me below in the comment section. Till then, bye.